Yeah, even when it's raining out, you still want to play with your ball. Huh? Too wet for me to go outside, but I'll do a couple throws from the door here. You see it just, I don't know if it shows up on the camera now, but it's raining. Alright, girl. Ready? Go get it. Oh, it's all muddy and nasty outside. Yeah. But you still insist on wanting to play and play and play. Yes. Look at yourself. You're getting all dirty, girl. You're getting all dirty. You got mud on your face. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Ready? Go get it. Oh boy. It's a steady mist out here. She didn't want to come inside. She wanted to keep playing and playing. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Ready? I'll throw that one way over on that side there. There you go. Not afraid of loud sounds. She don't care. She don't care about thunder. She don't care about rain. She don't care about fireworks noises. Yeah, you just want to keep playing, playing, playing. Very rare for a German Shepherd like that. He's at least afraid of thunder. Yeah, my other German Shepherd would not go out in the rain. You want to stay out in the rain and play with ball. Oh man. Ready? Go get it. Oh man. Okay, fearless dog. Look how muddy and dirty this ball is again. There we go. Alright. Yeah. I don't want to be outside. And look, I'm already getting wet here. Standing in the doorway here. She is just so active. Yeah. You're too active. You're too active, girl. One more throw, I think. One more. Ready? Go get it. That ball is slippery on my hands. Come on, when I threw it. Come on, girl, inside. Let's go inside. We're done. No, don't keep doing this to me. Okay, one last time, okay? I said it 1,000 times, but here we go. Alright. Are we done? Are we done? I'm done. Come on inside. Come on. Inside, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who wants to keep playing? You just want to keep playing. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing that for, huh? You're being pushy now. Oh, you're being demanding. Alright. One more time. What am I gonna do with this dog? What am I gonna do with you? Huh? You definitely need a couple other dogs to play with, I think. I am just not enough. Okay, come on, girl. Are we done now? Come on, you're all wet. You're gonna be smelling. You're gonna be stinky later. Huh? Come on, girl. Come on. Let's go inside. Take a break. You're getting wet. I have to put shampoo on you. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. I know. I want to play with you too, but it's raining now. And you're getting wet right now. You're already soaking wet. Come on. Come on, you're gonna catch a cold. Come on. Come on inside. Oh my goodness, what to do? What to do with you? Alright. You're a good girl. We'll sign off from here because... Oh. I'll get you inside. There you go, I tricked you. There you go, now you lay down. No, don't go in my room. I do not want you on my carpet. Yeah, I don't want you in my carpet. Alright, girl. You good? Wait, whoa, that's my phone. You can't be grabbing the phone. Alright. I guess I'll end it there and I'll give you a couple dog bones to relax with. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you gotta lay down and relax, girl. Alright. Until next time, we'll make another video. Maybe the weather will be better tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. She's gonna try to get my water here. Got an extra fridge down here in the basement area. Yeah, you be good. Alright. Till next time, bye.